In this presentation, we will see how a list can be sliced. So let's start with list slicing. The method of extracting a subpart of a list is called list slicing. You can extract out any portion of a list by using the index of the list. For that, we require the following format. Here, sequence equal to L means a list, within bracket, start, stop, and step. These three parameters are separated by colon. Start indicate the starting index of extraction and the stop index of extraction. The step parameter is optional. This statement will create a list slice, namely SEQ, having element of list L on index start, start plus 1, start plus 2, start plus 3, and so on, and it will end up to stop minus 1. Let me show you an example. Suppose you have a list of prime numbers. Suppose this is the list primes and it has some prime numbers, say 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. So this list can be indexed by a positive, or you can say a forward indexing, or you can represent it as a negative indexing or backward indexing. If I want to extract from 5 to 17, then I have to specify start as 2 because the index of 5 is 2, and the stop index will be 7 because whatever the stop index is specified, it will extract just before the stop index, that is up to 6 index. And if I write L within bracket 2:7, then it will extract from 5 to 17. So it will be my new sequence. Let me show you more operation on list slicing. So let's take the same example for list slicing. So this is the given list of prime numbers. Now if I write primes 3:9 within third bracket, and if I print it, so it will give 7 to 23. Look, this is the start position. That's mean it will extract from the index 3, that is from 7, and it will extract just before index 9, that is up to 23. That's mean the stop index is not included. It stopped before the specified stop index. So it will extract from 7 to 23. Next, if the start position is not specified, or you can say if the start index is not specified, just :9, that's mean it will extract from the beginning, that is from the 0 index up to 8 index, that is before the 9 index. So it will give you the output 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. Next, prime 3: that is the stop index is not mentioned in this case. It will extract from index 3, that is from 7 onward, and it will extract everything after that index. If the stop index is not specified, then it will extract up to the end of the list. So it will print from 7 to 29. Now the next slicing is colon. Neither start nor stop index are specified. That's mean you are going to extract from the beginning till end, and it will return the whole list from 2 to 29. So it is better to print L rather than writing print colon within third bracket. If I write print L, it will print the whole list. This is equivalent to prime colon within third bracket. Let me show you more example on this list slicing. Look, along with the start and the stop index, if the step size is mentioned, it will extract from index 3 to index 8 with a step size of 2. Look at the output first. So it will start extracting from index 3, that is from 7. After step 2, it will jump to 13. And again after 13, there will be a step jump of 2, so it will move to the 19. Since the stop index is specified as 9, so it will stop extracting up to 8. So within 3 and 8 index, it will print 7, 13, and 19. Since the step size is specified as 2, so there will be a index difference of 2. So this expression will start extracting from the index 3, that is from 7. So when you add 2 with 3, it will get a index 5. That's mean it will extract 13. Then again when 2 is added up with 5, it will get 7 index, and it will print the corresponding value of the 7 index, that is 19. And if you add 2 with 7, it is 9, and it is out of range of the index specified. Come to the next Slicing, here it is written prime 3 colon 9 and there is a step size of 3. Now the extraction will start from the index 3, that is from 7. Since the step size is specified as 3, so 3 will be added up with this index, so we will get next index as 6. The value of index 6 is 17. So after printing 7, it will print 17. And then when again we add 3 with 6, it will be 9, which is out of range. So 3 colon 9 colon 3 will return 7 and 17, this sequence. Now, if you do not specify any start and stop position, but there is a step size of 2, in that case, it will print the whole list from the beginning till end with a step size of 2. This means it will first print 2, which is at index 0. Then after step 2, that means it will move on to the index 2, that is 5. Then index 4, that is 11. Then 6 index 17. Then it will move to the index 8, 23. So look at the output sequence 2, 5, 11, 17, 23. All the element of the list with a gap of 2. Next, primes 4 colon minus 2. Since the list is positioned by the positive as well as the negative indexing, so we can consider any of the two indexing technique, that is the positive and negative indexing. We can consider both at a time. So when we are specifying the start position as 4 and the stop position is minus 2, so it will start extracting the values from the index 4, that is from 11 onward, and it will stop before the minus 2 index. So this is the minus 2 index, so it will stop over here, that is minus 3 index, that is 19. So it will start extracting from 11 and ends up to 19, that is 11, 13, 17 and 19 will be its sequence value or the output sequence. Whatever may be its stop index, it will end before the given stop index. Now the last one is colon colon minus 1. So start and stop position are not specified, only the step size is written as minus 1. So in that case, the whole list will be printed in reverse order. That's mean it will first print 29, then 23, then 19, then 17, 13 and so on. So the output sequence will be look like this: 29, 23, 19, 17, 13, 11, 7, 5, 3, 2. So it's a very simple technique of extracting a subpart of a list. No more tricks and techniques are there. So hope you have understand the process of slicing. Now there is another way of slicing a list by using the slice function. So this slice method accepts stop as an argument. Also we can pass start, stop and step size with the slice function. So let me show you the process of extracting list by using this slice method. The slice function returns a slice object that can be used to slice string, list, tuple, etc. Let me create a list first. Suppose the list contains 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let me create a slice object first. Suppose I am writing only 3. If I specify a single argument within this slice, then it will be considered as the stop index. Now let me write the list name and within the third bracket the slice object. So it will return the first 3 element of the list. Since index 3 is specified, so it will extract all the numbers before index 3. So it will extract the values from 0 to 2 index. Now let me create another object of this slice. So I'm writing b equal to slice within bracket, say from 2 comma say 6, enter, then L within bracket b, so within third bracket b, just give enter. So it will extract all the element from index 2 to index 5, that is before index 6. So it will start extracting number from index 2, that is this is 0, 1, 2. So it will extract from 2 index, then 3, 4, 5. So it will extract 30, 40, 50 and 60 because 60 is in the index 5. So look at the output. The sequence is 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now let me create another object, say slice within bracket, say 1 comma 8 comma 2. So here the start position, stop position and the step size all are specified. 20 is in the index 1, so this object will extract from 20 to 80, that is just before the stop index, that is 8. but there is a step size of 2. That's why it will return 20, then 40, then 60, and then 80. So let me show you by writing this L within bracket, third bracket. It will be C, and then press enter. So it will return 20, 40, 60, and 80 as an output. We can also specify negative index as the slice parameters. So this is all about the list slicing. Still, if you have any problem, write it into the comment box. I will try to reply you back as soon as possible. Thank you.